My name is Tanny and I love to cook. And I look a mess because I just came out from my garden. And it's nighttime, but it's still very hot and humid out there. But I wanted to show you the groceries that I grow in my garden because you're going to see me cook them on this channel. So let me show you. So I have my reusable grocery bag. So let's see what I grow. I grew all of this stuff from seed. So this is a big zucchini. You want to harvest this much sooner. I have a normal size one. So you want to get them when they're a little bit bigger than this. But if you let this go 2 or 3 days, it will turn into this one. So get your zucchini on time. But this is Black Beauty zucchini. I'm growing watermelon. So I'm growing a couple of different varieties of watermelon. This one is Sugar Baby. It usually gets about 5 pounds. You can see it has the nice little yellow belly right there that you want. So I have several plants of this, several on the vine. So I'm just taking, that's a little, I need to kill that. Look at that little, can you see it moving? Yeah. This is what you get when you grow your fresh veggies in the garden yourself. I grow them organically. Little bugs hit your ride. A little slug, I guess. Okay. Okra. I'm growing a couple of different varieties of okra. This one is way too big. So it's going to be too tough to eat because I already tried because I don't like wasting anything. But this is a good indicator of how big they do get. And at the end of the season, I'll let ones like this stay on the plant and then dry, and then I'll dry the seeds so that I can have okra seeds for next year. This one's a little small, but I wanted to pick it today so that it didn't get oversized like this one. This is a butter stick squash. I like my yellow squash. That's pretty cool. I have 3 cucumbers. These are straight 8 cucumbers and they still have the dirt from the garden, but growing cucumbers and tomatoes in the garden will make you not want to eat them from the grocery store anymore, I promise you. And speaking of tomatoes, these are Big Daddy tomatoes and beefsteak tomatoes. And you'll notice they fit in the palm of my hand and they're green. So I have a hard time letting these get ripe on the vine because I like to make fried green tomatoes. I make them the traditional way with cornmeal and flour, but I also make them a low carb way, so I'll show you both of those. So if you're growing okra, you really need to check your plant every day because I have some that are a little small, but they'll be too big in a couple of days, and these are definitely oversized. And then the rest I have are little baby tomatoes, and some of them got smushed in my bag, but those ripened on the vine. Look at those. So I'm growing tomatoes of different colors. So that's my harvest for today. And you'll see me cook this food this week. So if you grow vegetables in your garden, let me know in the comments what you grow, if you started by seed, or what you wish you could grow. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.